Hi, my name is Mike Nybecker. I'm the owner of Unique Lift, and today we're going to talk about some of the key features of our product.
Unique Lift is a garage storage unit designed for residential use. The 4x8 storage basket is fabricated from 6-gauge welded steel wire, reinforced by 6 1 1/4 inch U-channels. The garage lift will handle 400 pounds of storage material and has a maximum storage height of 16 feet. The storage basket is supported by 4 1/8 inch steel cables, each having a capacity of 2,000 pounds. Adjustable links allow for minor adjustments to level the storage basket after installation. The cables wrap around 4 aluminum grooved drums that are mounted to a 1-inch steel shaft, supported by 3 heavy-duty nylon bearings that require no maintenance. The cable drums and shaft are chain-driven by a 1/2 horsepower, 110-volt AC electric motor. The motor driving through a heavy-duty steel gearbox powers the timing chain and shaft as well. The timing shaft controls 2 safety features of the garage lift: the up limit switch and the down limit switch. The up limit switch is adjusted to stop the storage basket once it clears the garage door, thus ensuring maximum storage space. The down limit switch is adjusted to allow the storage basket to just reach the garage floor, allowing complete access to stored items. The Unique Lift drive unit, which consists of the 1/2 horsepower electric motor, gearbox, and electrical box, along with cable drums, shaft, and bearings, are mounted to a 1 5/8 inch 14-gauge strut channel, which provides strength and flexibility for ease of installation. The master switch operates the Unique Lift. The master switch is mounted to the wall for the operator's convenience. To operate the Unique Lift, reposition the master switch or turn the key from the off position to the up position. By pressing and holding the up button, the storage basket will raise. By releasing the button, the storage basket stops. The button must be held for the garage lift to operate. This safety feature works both in the up and down positions. This feature allows the operator to stop the storage basket to avoid any interference. The operator has total control of the storage basket movement. The limit switches stop the storage basket in either the up or down position. Once the limit switch is reached, then the storage basket stops moving. Continuing to press the button once the limit switch is reached will not move the storage basket. An additional safety feature on the Unique Lift interlocks the movement of the storage basket with the garage door. The garage door will not operate once the garage lift is in operation. We accomplish this by powering the garage door operator through the garage lift. Once the storage basket is lowered, power is cut off to the garage door, preventing the garage door from operating. The garage lift must be in the up position for the garage door to operate. In addition, the garage door must be closed before the garage lift will lower to the ground. Let's now discuss some basic installation steps of the Unique Lift. Once the installer decides where the storage basket will be positioned inside the garage, he then must consider the direction the garage joists are running. For the Unique Lift to handle the designed load capacity, the unit must span 6 ceiling joists. In this application, the garage ceiling joists are running parallel with the Unique Lift cable drum and shaft. To support the load of the Unique Lift, additional 2x4s were added to the garage ceiling joists. 6 2x4 by 12-foot long boards were installed on 16-inch centers, meeting the installation requirements of the garage lift. Lag screws were used to attach the 2x4s to the garage ceiling joists, and then additional lag screws were used to attach the Unique Lift drive unit and drive components, along with the cable support bar to the 2x4 boards. Once the drive unit is installed, the drive plate, which includes the electrical box and gearbox, are installed on the drive strut channels. Next, the electrical motor is installed and the cables are then attached to the storage basket, then routed around the cable drums and cable support bar with final attachment made at the cable drums. Minor adjustments are then made at the cable connections at the storage basket. A few additional steps remain. One step is to mount the master control box on the wall in a convenient place for the operator. Run the wires back to the electrical box and then mount the safety switch at the base of the garage door. This safety switch tells the garage lift when the garage door is closed and safe to operate. The final step is to adjust the up and down limit switches. This is easily performed with 2 people. This video is designed to highlight some of the features of the garage lift and provide some basic installation understanding. Detailed installation guides are available on our website. Thank you for watching our video, and we look forward to working with you soon.